Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about the quick collection and how to delete images when you have imported them into Adobe Lightroom. First we're going to take a look at the quick collection. It's on the left side here and we are now in the library module. The quick collection is a collection where you can add images that you think are of value when you have been out in the field and taken a lot of pictures. Let's start. Let's say I've been out in the field and taken images, and now I have 4 images here, and I will go through them, and if I see something of value I will add it to the quick collection. And by how I do that, I just press the B button on the keyboard. The B button on the keyboard, and this image will go directly into the quick collection here. Look here now it's 0 here. I press the B button now, and now we have 1 image. This image is now in the quick collection. So I can go back. We can take a look at it later. It's in there. It's this image. Let's say this is the image I want to use, so I can mark it with 5 stars. Now it's 5 stars on this image. You can also mark it with stars down here. And I want to get rid of these 3 others, so I can just click on that and I can press X on the keyboard. So first I press X on the keyboard, and now you see there is an X here on this flag. And I can go to the next, and X on this too. So if you have a lot of pictures, you can use the arrows on the keyboard and scroll through all the images, and then you work faster. You have one finger on the arrow and the other on the X button, and you can delete quickly. So we're going to take the last one here and then press the X one more time. Now these 3 images are ready for deletion, and the next thing I do then is to go up to photo and down here to delete rejected photos. So first to photo, then to delete rejected photos, and then always choose delete from disk, because if you choose remove, they will only be removed from the Lightroom catalog and not from the disk. When we delete them from the disk, the pictures will no longer take up space on your hard drive, and you will have more options for new images. So I click here, delete from disk, and now the images are gone, and we are now back with 1 image, the one we selected. And if I want to see that same image, I can take a look at it here in the quick collection. Remember, I added it to the quick collection. I can click there and we have it here. And from there I can edit it in the develop module if I want to. And this is a process you can use with great effectiveness. So it's a good tool to have, and later you can put it into another collection down here if you have another collection for that trip you have been on. But this is a quick collection where you can just add the images. So you can also then save the quick collection by right clicking on the collection. Let's do it again. I right click here, I can save it, and I can give it a name. I can call it dog, and you can also check this and clear quick collection after saving, and then you can save it Now the quick collection is clear, and we can go down here to the collections and we find probably the dog is there. Yes, so we have the dog collection here. So this is a useful tool to be able to go through the images from a job in the field in a quick way and add them into the quick collection. So now you know that, how to do that, and you know how to delete the images. So I'm going to repeat the deletion one more time. If you want to delete an image, you press the X button on the keyboard, and then you have this X here on this flag. And then you go up to Photo, and then Delete Rejected Photos. You click on that, and then now it's in the collection, so I get this question if I want to remove it from that collection. If I want to delete it, I can go to the image itself, so I cancel it, and I can pick it up here on the keyboard list. I have it. So now again, Photo, Delete Rejected Photos, and delete from disk. Now we're going to keep this picture in the collection, so I don't delete it now. So this is was a quick introduction to the quick collection and how to delete images. So if I regret my deletion here, I can just click on the X and it's back to normal, and I keep the image in the collection. So thank you for being with me in this short video, and I see you soon in the next.